Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone had a good Pesach break. Um, I miss you guys and I love you. And I wanted to go over the packet that we sent to you so that you know what you have. So, the very top thing on the packet is a letter to you and your parents, so your parents can read this. And it talks about your goals for the rest of the year. So we've talked about goals a little bit, but on the second page is for just you. And this is a list of all of the things that we are going to finish before we are done with kindergarten. And we already do most of these already. So I'll be going over this with you. But as we complete a goal, you'll be able to color in a star for each goal. Like the first one says, I can write my first and last name and only using an uppercase at the first letter. We already do that. So we haven't written our first name a whole lot though, so you probably need to practice that one. But once we get that, we'll talk about it and then we will color that in. And it says, I can identify the first, middle, and last sounds. S, a, d. You know what those three sounds are. If I said it slow, you could write the letters. So again, we already do most of these things, but I wanted you to keep track so you know all the progress that you're making, getting ready for first grade. So that's the top thing on your packet. The second thing in your packet says Unit 8. Just finishing up Unit 8. And this is our reading and writing. And in the packet, we're not going to use it today, but tomorrow we are going to start practicing using 2 S's, 2 F's, 2 L's, and 2 Z's. And so we're going to practice reading those words tomorrow, but we're not going to do it today. So you have the packet, so set this aside, put this in your pile of things that you need to do, okay? Also in your packet is Unit 8 SAM reader. So I made everyone their very own copy of this. So everyone has their own. So that is also in your packet. Set that aside. You'll be able to practice it whenever you need to or want to. And yeah, so that you have learning, okay? The next thing in your packet is a math packet, and it's addition and subtraction within 5. This shouldn't be too hard. We haven't done a lot of subtraction yet, and I'll be doing this with you. Again, we don't need it today, but I just wanted to let you know that it's in your packet to take it out and put it in your pile. All right. Also, in your packet, there's a running club certificate from Miss G, so you get to take that out. And then also from Moore Rahel, you have your sitter, and you have your Parsha journal and your Parsha questions. So take those last things out, put those in your pile, and leave everything else inside that envelope and put it somewhere safe, okay? And then also from before break, hopefully you still have it, there's a sight word packet from Miss Benham, so I hope you still have that. And then the other thing is I sent you your writing journal when you went home, so set that aside too in your packet of things that we're going to be working on. So you have one big pile, and then you have a pile to set aside. Okay, we'll be working on all of this later. Don't worry about it right now. I just wanted to let you know which things to take out of the packet and which things to leave in there for now. So have a great day. I miss you all and I love you all. And I'll be calling each of you this week to just check in, see how you're doing, see if you need anything, see if your parents need anything, and just to say hi because I miss you guys so, so much. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.